Welcome to SIRA MCQ YouTube channel. Today we discuss advanced level A-level accounting paper 2024 question number which one? Question number 18. What is the requirement of the question? This is the LK7 cash flow statement related question. Okay, what is the requirement? Look here. The amount of net cash inflow or outflow from investing activities. Net cash inflow or outflow, this is net effect of from investing activities for the year ending 31st March 2024 as per LK7 statement of cash flows. You know there is a investment activities. I create investment activities. Look here, you know the cash flow statement is there. Two columns now. This is a cash flow statement. Cash flow statement. This is the rupees 1000 no. 1000. This is the investing activities. Investing activities. Therefore, we must get net effect means total investing activities final result. Okay, therefore I read the question. Okay, first one, the following transactions have been occurred in Sachin PLC during the year ending 31st March 2024. Okay, next one, purchased the machine for 2000 2 million for cash. You know there is investing activities. What's the basement? There's a non-current asset related transaction. Okay, therefore we can identify purchase a machine. This is a normal retail business no. Therefore the purchase a machine for 2000 for cash. This is a cash payment no. Cash credit, machine debit. Okay, therefore we can identify a cash outflow 2000 machine purchasing. Okay, next one, this is the easy one no. Next one is a very major point. Look here, sold office equipment, non-current asset. Okay, with the carrying amount of 3.6 million means 2,600,000 at gain of 600,000 for cash. Look here, this is sold. Okay, this is the sold no. At that point we can calculate the profit or loss of this is the sales is a profit or loss from this sales. Okay, how can we calculate? This is a property, plant and equipment no. Therefore we calculate selling price minus carrying amount. This is the sales is a like disposal gain no loss. Disposal gain or loss. Okay, disposal gain or loss. How can we calculate? Selling price minus carrying amount. This carrying amount was calculated at the disposal date. Okay, disposal date. There are some informations are supplied by the question. Look here, they said sold office equipment with carrying amount 3,600. Carrying amount means 3,600. Therefore The carrying amount was 3600. This is the minus, no? Minus, no? Next one. Add the gain. Gain means profit. Okay, gain of 600 for cash. Okay, 600 gain. 600 gain means the gain. No, gain is there. Gain is there. Look here. Sorry. This is 3600. Gain is there. Gain means plus 600. What is the selling price? What is the selling price? Selling price, no x, no, is I can carry out this 3600 to this area. Therefore 600 plus 3600, answer is 4200 is x. X means selling price. It is a selling price. We can collect cash. The selling price is a cash collection amount of this transaction, 4200. Therefore 4200, I write cash collection from what is the asset disposal? What is the asset? Office equipment disposal, no? Office equipment disposal. Okay, next one. Only we can include office equipment selling price to cash flow statement. Why? There's a cash inflows or outflows only we can identify to investing activities. Therefore we cannot identify gain or carrying value. Okay, let's see. Next one. Obtain a right of use of a motor vehicle for 5 years under lease agreement. The cost of this right of use asset is 4,500. This cost include the initial payment of 1,000. Look here, the cost of this right of use asset is 4,500. Cost. This is a total cost. Total cost of this right of use asset. Total cost is 4,500. They said again. This cost includes means included. Okay, included initial payment of 1,000. Therefore we can identify this include initial payment of 1,000. Initial payment of 1,000. What is the remaining? Remaining is 3,500. What is lease liability? This is lease liability. There is no impact to cash flow statement lease liability, but the initial payment should be impact to cash flow statement. Why? What is the double entry for initial payment? Cash credit, initial payment double entry, cash credit, right of use asset debit. Okay, cash credit, right of use asset debit. There's a cash outflow, no? Cash credit, no? Therefore we can identify the 1,000 as a cash outflow. Okay, 1,000 initial payment for ROU, right of use asset, ROU. What's the next point? Next one. Next one. There is a already done. Okay, we can calculate the net cash flow of the cash flow statement. Look here, what's the net impact? This is the 3000 minus now 1200. This is a plus amount. This is a generated one. Okay, this is a plus amount 1200. 1200 is answer plus value. 1200 is only one answer, 218. Answer is 2 for question number 18. After that, we can discuss question number 19 in next video.